There are moments in life when everything feels quiet on the outside, but loud on the inside. Moments when you're moving through your days, doing what needs to be done. Yet deep down, something is asking for more. More purpose. More courage. More life. If you're listening to this right now, know this. You didn't arrive here by accident. You're here because a part of you refuses to give up. A part of you still believes. A part of you knows, there is more ahead. Life doesn't always announce its lessons with fireworks. Sometimes, it teaches in whispers. In disappointments. In closed doors. In unanswered prayers. It teaches when things don't work out. When people leave. When plans collapse. When effort goes unnoticed. And in those moments, it's easy to feel tired. Not physically, but spiritually. Tired of trying. Tired of hoping. Tired of starting again. But hear this clearly. Fatigue is not failure. Rest is not quitting. Slowing down is not giving up. It simply means you're human. Every strong soul you admire has stood exactly where you are now. Confused. Uncertain. Questioning themselves. The difference is not talent. Not luck. Not privilege. The difference is persistence. They kept moving, even when they didn't feel motivated. They showed up, even when fear was loud. They continued, even when progress was invisible. Because progress doesn't always look like winning. Sometimes, it looks like surviving another day. And that matters more than you think. You see, life isn't a straight road. It's uneven. Twisting. Unpredictable. There will be days when everything flows. And days when nothing makes sense. Days when you feel unstoppable. And days when simply getting out of bed feels like a victory. Honor both. Because strength isn't about always feeling powerful. It's about continuing, even when you feel weak. Let me remind you of something important. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not failing at life. You are becoming. Becoming wiser through pain. Becoming stronger through struggle. Becoming clearer through confusion. Growth is rarely comfortable. Transformation is rarely gentle. But every challenge you face is shaping you for something greater than what you can see right now. There's a fire inside you. Even if it feels small. Even if it flickers. Even if life's storms have tried to put it out. It's still there. That fire is your resilience. Your hope. Your hunger to rise. And all it needs is oxygen. Oxygen comes from belief. From action. From choosing, again and again, not to quit. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need approval from the world. All you need is the courage to take one more step. Just one. One more try. One more effort. One more day of showing up. Because momentum is built quietly. Consistency works silently. And breakthroughs often arrive unannounced. Remember this. The version of you that feels tired today is still stronger than the version of you who once thought of giving up. You've already survived things you never thought you could. You've endured moments that tested your limits. You've walked through storms that changed you. And yet, you're still here. Breathing. Listening. Moving forward. That alone is proof of your power. Life will test you. It will stretch you. It will ask things of you that feel unfair. But every test carries a lesson. Every delay carries a purpose. Every setback carries a seed. Sometimes, the greatest growth happens in the waiting. Sometimes, clarity arrives after confusion. Sometimes, the strength you're searching for is built in silence. Trust the process, even when you don't understand it. You are allowed to dream again. Even after disappointment. Even after failure. Even after heartbreak. Your past does not disqualify your future. Your mistakes do not define your destiny. Your scars do not weaken you, they tell your story. And it's a story of survival. Of endurance. Of courage. If no one has told you this lately, hear it now. You matter. Your effort matters. Your journey matters. Even when no one sees the work you're doing behind the scenes. Even when progress feels slow. Even when results haven't shown up yet. What you're building, internally and externally, takes time. And time is not your enemy. It's your ally. So keep going. Not because it's easy. Not because it's guaranteed. But because your spirit deserves the chance to see what happens if you don't quit. Keep going when motivation fades. Keep going when fear whispers doubts. Keep going when the road feels long. Because every step forward, no matter how small, is still movement. One day, you'll look back at this version of yourself. The one who felt uncertain. The one who felt tired. The one who almost stopped. And you'll be grateful you kept going. Grateful you believed, just enough. Grateful you tried. Just once more. Grateful you didn't let the moment define the journey. Your life is still unfolding. Your story is still being written. And the next chapter depends on what you choose today. So choose courage. Choose persistence. Choose yourself. Breathe deeply. Stand tall. And take that next step. Not tomorrow. Not when it's perfect. Now. Because you are stronger than you feel. More capable than you believe. And far closer than you think. Pause. Let the words settle. And remember. As long as you're moving, you're winning.